A satin stitch is simply a zigzag that's really short and close together, somewhere in your buttonhole stitch length range. So let me show you how you can dial in the perfect satin stitch. Of course, you can get it for any width as well. But on the Singer Simple machine, we're going to just take a zigzag, and then while we stitch, I'm just shortening it little by little until as I see the stitches on my fabric, there's no more gaps between them, but it's still moving through the machine. I'm not having to push it at all. I'm gonna get it really close and then I'll show you. Oh yeah, now we're talking. So what I wanna do is use a stitch like this. See how nice and close I got it towards the end? Not so open. This is a great stitch to go around a raw edge of an applique. And I might even just bring it just a hair. Oh, I don't wanna get too close. If you get too close, then you can actually, it piles up. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and go around the edge here of my fabric. And there is a little trick for, say, turning curves and doing corners. But once you have the machine set up for a good looking satin stitch, you really can get a nice look. And then what's nice about a satin stitch is that when you wash something that has been stitched over the raw edge, this is a secure edge. You don't have to worry about that coming undone or coming unraveled. So that's what a satin stitch edge should look like. Nice and close together, not open or any gaps there. And again, you can change the width and get it to be narrower or wider depending on what you're going around.